I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on linear applications. Here is another multiple choice test question for you. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given here. Let's look into this question. It says, a hose fills a 12,000 liter pool at a constant rate of 24 liters per minute. If the pool is exactly one-fourth fill at noon, at what time is it completely full, completely empty? You are given four choices for each. You can pause the video and answer this question. Let's try to understand it. Let us say this is our pool. The question indicates that this pool, that is the top, we can divide into four equal parts, and it is given to us that the hose fills at this rate, which is 12 liters per minute, and is filling a pool whose capacity is 12,000 liters. So the whole volume of this pool is equal to 12,000 liters. The pool is exactly one-fourth filled at noon. So at this time, it is one-fourth filled. It means how much? One-fourth of 12,000, right? So this is at noon. So we can say at 12, right? It is 12,000 times one-fourth. That is, we have 3,000 liters in it. Correct? Now it says, if that is the rate, we are given the rate of 24 liters per minute. If that is the rate, then how much time will it take to fill the rest 3/4? In that case, it will be completely full. Is that clear to you? So that is how you're going to answer the first part, right? For the second part, it's slightly confusing. It says completely empty means you have to find the time when we start it to fill, right? This is to start it to fill. That means before noon, right? So as you can notice, all these times are before noon. So basically, we are trying to ask how much time does it take to fill this? Do you understand? So basically, there are two times required. So T1 to fill 3/4, and then we want to find this. Let's write T0 to fill 1/4. So that is the strategy behind the equation. Perfect. Now let's look into the solution. So the first solution we would like to find, when will it be completely full? So definitely after noon, we have to now fill 3/4 of the tank, right? So we need to fill 3/4 of 12,000 liter at the rate of 24 liters per minute. This is what we have to figure out, right? So that time we need to find. Since one-fourth is already full, 3/4 needs to be filled at the rate of 24 liters per minute. So how will you find this out? Time taken will be 3/4. This is the volume, right? So time will be equal to the volume over the rate, right? So you can say speed, right? We can write rate R. So in this case, the volume given to us is 3/4 of 12,000 liters. We are dividing it by 12 liters per minute. Now look at the units, right? So when you see liters and liters will cancel, you're left with minutes. So you get 9,000 over 24 minutes, which gives you 375 minutes. Perfect. Now the time is given to you in hours. So at this stage, convert to hours. To convert minutes to hours, you are going to divide by 60, correct? So 375 minutes is divided by 60. You get 6/1/4 of an hour. Now, these are the minutes, right? So 1/4 of an hour is 15 minutes. So we get 6 hours and 15 minutes, and that too after 12. So when you add 12 to 6 hours and 15 minutes, you get 18:15. And so the time is 18:15, correct? 6:15 p.m. So that is the time. So that is how you get your option D as the correct option. Now let's look into the second part, which is when was it empty? So empty really means that when you started filling, correct? When you started filling, what was that time? Right. So what was this time when you started filling? So that means time taken to fill 1/4 of the tank. So we'll subtract that time from 12 noon. That is the strategy. So the pool was completely empty just before filling started, correct? At noon, it was 1/4 full. So time taken to fill 1/4 will be how much? That is what we need to figure out. So 1/4 of 12,000 divided by 24 liters per minute, we get 3,000 over 24. That gives you 125 minutes or 2 hours and 1/12 of an hour. So we get 2 hours and 5 minutes as our answer. So when you take away this 2 hours and 5 minutes from noon, you get 9:55. So 9:55 becomes the solution. Is that clear to you? So that is how we are going to solve this particular question. So I hope it is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.